Lenkulumo iza nje amabhunu angu-49 azotheleka kunini nje eMelika emva kokuthi uTrump acikica umthetho obanika igunya lokubhaca kuleli lizwe.
He said, what's happening down there? And I said, President, what you've been told by those people who are opposed to transformation back home in South Africa is not true. And I added to him, I said, we were well taught by Nelson Mandela and other iconic leaders like Oliver Tambo on how to continue to build a united nation out of the diverse groupings that we have in South Africa. We're the only country on the continent where the colonizers came to stay, and we have never driven them out of our country.
Enkulumeni yakhe yocingo noTrump, umengameli uRamaphosa uthe izwe liyaqhubeka nokusebenzela uguquko.
It's a fringe grouping that does not have a lot of support, that is anti-transformation and anti-change, that would actually prefer to see South Africa going back to apartheid type of policies.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamula uyagcizelela ukuthi abaphethwe kabi abomphakathi wamabhunu kulelizwe. Ubekhuluma esithangamini sokulandisa ngezintsha ngeqhaza leNingizimu Afrika enhlanganweni G20 njengoba sengamele lenhlangano kusuka ngoZibandlela nyekenye ithatha intambo ezweni iBrazil.
We continue to state that there are no bad things that are targeting white people with any intentions, particularly African farmers in South Africa. We do not have that, and that is the position of the South African government, that there is no such persecution.
Iqembu lamabhunu angu-49 azibiza ngababaleki lilifulathele lelizolo ebusuku ngendiza esuke e-OR Tambo International. Lokhu kususe enkulu inkulumomphikiswano kulelizwe njengoba uTrump esola ukuthi amabhunu ayahlukunyezwa futhi uhulumeni uyawacwasa. Lezi izinsolo iNingizimu Afrika esaqhubeka nokuyichitha ithi zinenhlese yezombusazwe futhi zakhelwe ukubukela phansi intando yabantu yalelizwe.